Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular versus React versus Vue. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's do the comparison between the top three front-end frameworks. What are they? Angular, that is a full-fledged framework by Google. React is it's a UI library by Meta, Facebook. View progressive framework by community. Next, what the core languages and the architecture, how they build. So the Angular is built with TypeScript and the MVC based. React goes with JavaScript and the TypeScript component based. And the Vue JavaScript and the TypeScript component based. Data binding and the DOM. So the Angular, that is a two-way binding real DOM. React one-way binding virtual DOM. And Vue supports both. Next, we have performance and the bundle size. Angular large 500 plus KB, slightly heavier. React medium, and the Vue small 80 KB, very fast. Leaning curve. So Angular steep because we have to understand each and everything regarding this because it's a framework. So we have to understand the modules, DR, RxJX, signals. It's like pretty much you have to learn and like clear the concepts, right? The React moderate, okay, JSX hooks, everything you have to learn. View, it's a simple template syntax and the reactivity. State management, so in the Angular we do with the ngrx signals and the services. For the React we go with Redux, recoil and justin. For the View we are going to use the vuex and the pinia. Next, tooling and the ecosystem. Angular CLI, Universal SSR. React using the CRA templates. Next.js, huge ecosystem. Vue using the Vue CLI, White, Nuxt for the SSR. Okay. Mobile support. Angular go with the Ionic and the native script. React go with React Native. Vue go with QSR native script. Use cases and the community. Angular enterprise level apps. React versatile web app, mobile apps. Vue light web apps, rapid development. Which one to choose? For the large, if you have the project is a large enterprise, so go with Angular. If you want the flexible and the scalable medium-sized project, go with React. If you want the simple and the lightweight app, go with the simple and the fast, that is Vue. So, which one to choose? That is the best for Angular is best for the large scale enterprise apps, steep learning curve, yes, but full featured we have for this. Comes with built-in routing, HTTP, form handling, etc. Best for the flexible app development, needs external libraries for routing, state management, great for both web and mobile. Best for beginners for the fast prototyping, lightweight, intuitive yet powerful, popular in Asia and growing fast globally. Thank you. Any questions? Let's choose the right framework for your next project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.